guys, welcome back to another video here on my channel. So for today's video I have a maternity clothing try on haul. Now this is my first time ever doing a try on haul, so let's hope that everything goes well. Fingers crossed. Let's hope that everything goes smooth because this is my first time ever, so we will see how that goes. But anyways guys, I went shopping at pinkblushmaternity.com and I'm so excited to share with you guys what I picked up. Last time around when I was pregnant, like 90% of my clothes I picked up, or my maternity clothes I picked up from their website, and I completely fell in love with their brand. I feel like their pieces are very high quality. I love their materials. I love their pieces. They're just very stylish and unique, and they are a bit on the pricier side, but you guys, I feel like it's definitely worth it. You want to look good when you're pregnant. At least I do. I want to look kind of like presentable and cute when I'm pregnant. So yeah, but anyways, I hadn't gone shopping for maternity clothes in a long time, so it was time for me to get some new clothes because a lot of my tops do still fit me. A lot of my t-shirts and stuff still fit me, but I feel like it's getting to that point where it's just looking a little bit awkward, or I feel like it's awkward. Like, I don't know if I look good anymore, so I just felt like I needed to order some pieces and I went shopping. All of the pieces that I did pick up are tops. I didn't pick up any bottoms because if you guys saw some of my previous videos, you guys already know I picked up a few leggings on Amazon and I'm completely content with that. I still have some shorts and I have some dresses from last time that I was pregnant, so I didn't want to pick up a lot of things because I am 5 months pregnant already, so I have 4 more months to go and that'll be it. But some of these pieces, you guys, I feel like even if I'm not pregnant, I feel like they're gonna be looking so good. But yeah, I don't know guys, I don't know what happened, but at the beginning of this pregnancy I felt like my bump was growing so fast. Like, it just kind of surprised me because with my first pregnancy it was kind of very slow, but with this pregnancy my belly just like exploded out of nowhere, but then it kind of just like died down. So now it's just, you know, it's kind of like growing very slow. But I'm so excited to share with you guys what I got, so I'm gonna get started because I don't want this video to be super long. And yeah, so if you guys hear my daughter, by the way, she is down here. She is playing with like a few things. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started and show you guys what I picked up. I have my phone right here with my order. That way I can show you guys what each piece is priced at, or what I picked it up for. So the first piece I already opened. Each individual piece or item comes wrapped in a little plastic baggie, and I'll show you guys the rest, but this one I already opened because I was just so excited to see this one. So this is like a very nice like floral-y top. It's mint green and it has like these beautiful like blue and yellow flowers, so I feel like this is very pretty. It's very like flowy at the bottom. It does have like this really cute pom-pom stitching under the boob area, and all of these pieces, by the way, I got it in the size large, you guys, so just for reference. So this is what it looks like. This piece was originally $36, but it was 30% off, so I got it for $25.20. All of these items I actually got for 30% off, you guys, so just in case you guys are wondering. I love Pink Blush because they always have coupon codes also, so that's really good. The next piece that I got is like this really cute blue t-shirt or blue shirt. Let me open it up. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's a very cute, it's like another flowy top. It's navy blue and it has like these little, like, I don't know, how do you say it? Little dots. I don't know, very cute. I feel like this is very cute and feminine and very girly, and it's very bump friendly, very flowy at the bottom, so I like this. This piece was originally $39 and I picked it up for $27.30, so that was the second piece. A third piece that I picked up was similar to that one, but I think it's a little bit different, but it's got like the same pattern with like the little dots all over. And this is actually very cute. So this is like a mint, another mint green, and it has like this little ruching on the sleeves. It's a short sleeve top and it's just like a v-neck, and it's just normal. This is, it kind of, I don't think it's that flowy, but it'll probably be a little tiny bit flowy. We'll see how this fits. So this piece I picked it up for, so this one was also $39 and I picked it up for $27.30. So that's that one. Another piece that I got is this navy blue shirt. You guys, I love navy blue. Like navy blue or any blue color is like just my favorite. I love the color blue. So anytime I see like a blue, anytime I see like a blue shirt or anything like that, like I completely obsess over, and I just love this color. So this is a very cute top. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a navy blue. Also, it kind of has like that little stitching under the boob area, and then after that it's very flowy. And then in the back it's a very, very cute. It has like this little crisscross going on, so that's very, very cute. This top was $39 also, and I also got it for $27.30. So that was that. And the next thing that I picked up, this is a little just basic white tank top. I already opened this one up just because I already tried it on, so I don't think I'm going to be trying it on in this video, because I mean it's just like a really basic white tank top, and this is going to be perfect for like under all of the other blouses that I picked up. So this is very, very long. This can probably even be worn like under a dress because it's very long and it's super stretchy. So it's size large. I feel like I should have gotten a size medium, but we don't know. I don't know if it'll shrink in the washer, but it's very, very nice and stretchy, super comfy. Let me show you guys what this was retailed for. So this one was originally $24 and I got it for $16.80. So it's a little bit pricey, but I feel like this is such a good material and I feel like it's gonna last me a really, really long time. All right, down to the last two items. So this shirt that I'm about to show you guys, I actually picked it up with my first pregnancy, but I picked it up in the color white. Now at this time around I picked it up in pink because they didn't have any other colors. I wish last time I would have ordered more, because this shirt I absolutely love. I still have my white one, but it kind of has a little tiny bit of a coffee stain that just won't go away. I have no idea why. I've like tried everything. I've tried Tide, I've tried OxyClean. I don't even know if maybe it's a coffee stain or what it is, but it is so comfy and it is perfect for just like a very nice like launch day. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a crew neck t-shirt, and on the sleeves this is what I like. It has like this really cute florally pattern, and it's just like a high-low at the bottom. So this is what it looks like. It's super, super nice. I like it so much. And then in the back it has like this little like opening where it kind of just stretches, so it's super cute. I have this one in white from my last pregnancy. I still have it, but I just wanted to get another one and I just love it. I wish they come up with more colors because I love this shirt so much. This one, let me see how much this one was. So this one was originally $36 and I got it for $25.20. So that was that one. And finally, last but not least, I picked this white I don't know, it's kind of like a ruffly shirt. It's really pretty. I saw it on the model and I just completely fell in love with it. So this is what it looks like. It's also very flowy. I love flowy shirts for when I'm like pregnant, you guys. So this is what it looks like. It's just like, it's actually not white. It's kind of like ivory in a way. It's like white / ivory, but it's very, very pretty. It has like this little detailing stitching for under the boob area, and then it's just like very flowy at the bottom, and just has like this really nice like ruffles going on. So this shirt or top was $39 and I got it for $27.30. 30% off, you guys. So very, very cute. I feel like all of the items that I picked up are very nice quality. They're super soft and they're very, very comfortable, and I just love it. I feel like I should have ordered more just because I love their clothes. Like, even if you guys are not pregnant, they have really cute clothes in that website, so I highly recommend you guys check it out. I know they are expensive, but they always, like I mentioned, they always have like some sort of percentage off. They either have like a 15, 20 or 30% off. So I got lucky and I got a 30% off code, which was amazing. Alright guys, so that is basically everything that I picked up at Pink Blush. I'm telling you guys, I love every single piece that I picked up. Their quality is just amazing, and I feel like their stuff is so comfortable. And like I said, they are a bit on the pricier side, but I definitely think it's worth it. So if you guys are interested of anything that I picked up, I will leave everything a link down below for you guys, so you guys can definitely check it out. Of course, if they're still available. If they're not, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. But anyways, guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.